Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Today's video is all about how to create your first ebook to turn your passions into income, how to create that ebook, how to build your audience and make your first $1,000. So this is the method that I used back when I first started my business and how I was able to see $100 a day from my ebook, making around $3,000 in a month. And I was not somebody who was a viral sensation. Back then I had maybe around 500 subscribers. So it's not about having a huge audience. And I will say, if you're somebody who you already have a huge audience, you are just looking for an idea on how to build your ebook, go to the end of the video, because this is going to be specifically for those of us who are just getting started. You don't have an audience at all. You're sitting at home trying to figure out how to make more income, and this is a way to do it. So of course, the first step is to figure out what is your topic or your subject going to be on. So think of anything, it doesn't matter what, anything that you can successfully teach somebody how to get from point A to point Z. That can be your topic. So how to get your first rental property, or how to successfully set up homeschooling for your kids, or how to start your first business in 21 days. That was mine. How to go completely vegan and reverse health issues in 30 days. So whatever your topic is going to be, choose that first. Now, since you have your topic, we're gonna put the ebook to the side and then get into how you're gonna actually have somebody to buy it and want to buy it when you're done with the ebook. So while you're in the background writing the ebook, the work starts now. So the first step is to build an audience who cares. Now, before we get into this next part, some of you, your brain is gonna immediately go to think, oh, this is too much work, or I don't want to do it. This literally does not take as long as you think. I literally was doing this, like I said, when I had around 500 subscribers, and my subscribers grew more quickly because of these tools I'm about to give you. The next step after you have your topic is to build an audience who cares. And so that step is going to require you to start making some content. So you can choose your platform of choice, whether it's here on YouTube or on Instagram, TikTok. So you're going to start to create content around your experience with that topic. So for example, if your topic is how to get your first rental property, then you can have a story time, the time I bought my first rental property, or mistakes I made when I bought a rental property, or things I've learned since buying my first rental property. So depending on what your topic is, you want to start to create content that's going to share your journey around that topic, share your experiences around that topic. Y'all can look at my oldest videos on this channel. This channel started because I started an online clothing boutique, and my ebook was how to start your own clothing boutique. So the videos that I created, now this was not intentional. I just wanted to make content around this area, but this is what helped. So I'm only sharing with y'all what actually worked for me. I have my notes here. Some of the videos that I put out that helped me to end up selling that ebook was starting my online boutique in 3 weeks. So it was a vlog of me behind the scenes showing them how I started my boutique in 3 weeks. Another one was what I wish I knew before starting my boutique. You can take out the starting my boutique and add in your topic. What I wish I knew before homeschooling my kids. What I wish I knew before opening my bakery. Whatever your ebook is going to be about. Another one is it really worth it? Another one, the truth about opening a boutique, 1 year update, how to make sales in your online boutique, the tools you need to start an online boutique. So I'm creating this content that's sharing my experiences around the topic of my ebook. And again, the ebook was called the Boutique Business Guide, like the 10 steps to start your clothing boutique. And it gave concrete details. Get your seller's permit from here. This is how you price your products. So the content I'm putting out isn't necessarily giving away the details, but it's showing them that I'm qualified to teach you the details, because I'm talking about everything about boutique life, how I started, like showing behind the scenes of me starting. Was it worth it? The mistakes I made, how I grew, the sales I'm making. And so now people are watching it, they're inspired, they like what I'm saying, but they have one question. Can you tell me exactly how you did that? those are the things that I would say, sure, get the ebook. So again, what is your topic? And then create content that's sharing your experiences around that journey. So just a tidbit from somebody with a YouTube channel, the videos about your experiences and your journey get the most views anyways. So you're going to be creating an audience, and an audience specifically about this topic. Now the next step is to actually create the ebook, and in a second we'll go over how to make the ebook, but you're going to actually create the ebook, and then you're going to link that ebook under all those videos. So of course you'll make the content ahead of time, and while you're making the content, you're behind the scenes on Canva making the ebook. But once the ebook is created, link that ebook under every single video, and this is how you're going to start to promote the ebook. People will say, this is so much information, I want to learn more. They'll look in your description box, they'll see an ebook, they'll click, they'll buy. That's what happened for me, and literally I started making sales in my sleep because my YouTube videos were promoting for me. Now the last step before we actually make the ebook is to go live. So once you have enough subscribers, go live, and the purposes of going live now is to do a Q&A. So you're already teaching in your YouTube videos, so go live and just do a Q&A about a specific part of your topic. So if you're talking about rental properties, maybe you have a Q&A session about the best locations to get your first rental property, something very specific. In that live session, you're then doing Q&A, answering their questions, and this is the time to promote your ebook. So for example, my ebook was created from a need. I'm teaching y'all what worked, but when I started my business and my ebook, I was going live just doing Q&As because it was fun for me, and people started asking me the same questions over and over and over again. So at first I would answer those questions over and over and over again, but I had people joining my lives who had been there for weeks on end. They already knew the answers to those old questions. They wanted to learn new stuff. And so I made my ebook as a way to say, for those who are coming into my live and you're asking me questions about ABC, check out the link down below. Here's my ebook, because today we're talking about DEF. Be willing to give knowledge in the front end freely first. Now the next step is to actually create the ebook, and this part is very simple. It's the most simple part, because literally all you're going to do is, first of all, like I said, you should have a topic that you can comfortably and confidently teach from A to Z. You know that the ebook is successful when at the end you've taught what you've promised. So there's no page limit, you don't have to do the theatrics. If y'all knew, my first ebook was legit maybe 5 pages long, but what I made sure was that by the end of the ebook, they taught what I promised. So when you're making an ebook, the only thing you have to shoot for, your only criteria is, did you successfully teach what you've promised? The title is How to Get Your First Investment Property. In the end, did you teach that? Not having a link for a bigger course, did you teach that in the ebook? How to set up homeschooling. In the ebook, did you give the tools and resources? Not a membership community to learn more, but did you teach it in the ebook? So that's the number one thing, is that people make ebooks and don't give what's promised, and that's where we fall short. If you're going to do the ebook, teach everything in detail. I'll type my ebook up in Google Docs or Microsoft Word, type everything out. My outline, I'll first outline what are my different sections. Like if it's 10 steps to do this, what are my 10 steps? Like I'll write the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'll go in and add more details and have my sections. And from there, I'll take all of that content and go over to Canva, as y'all can see back here in the back. We'll go to Canva, and Canva is y'all's best friend, okay? You can look up ebook templates and just start to drag and drop. Put your text in, maybe add a cute picture, make it look organized, and you're done. Some things to make sure you include is a table of contents in the beginning to make sure your reader understands what they're gonna learn from the very beginning. I would also suggest adding an about me page, like a page that just kind of talks about who are you and why are you qualified to talk about this. And then another thing to include is a call to action. Now, the ebook should have everything that you promised, but you should have a way for people to connect with you further if they want to. This can be the beginning of a business for you. And we'll talk about that next. Have a call to action, whether it is here's my website, or follow me on social media, or email me for more questions, or sign up for coaching here. Have a call to action where they're able to connect with you more, because people are going to want to know more. As you continue to share information on YouTube or your social media platform of choice, people are going to be looking for the resources to learn more. So make sure you're providing that opportunity for them to learn from you. And then the last step, the most exciting step, is to sell. So you have to have a way for somebody to actually buy from you. There's two options here. Number one, like when you're in Canva, when you finish the ebook, save it as a PDF, and now that PDF can go anywhere. You can either sell it on a cart where somebody just goes to the link, buys that ebook, and that's it, or you can make an entire website. The options are up to you. If you just want to sell this one ebook, that's it, you're done, then the first option is where you want to go, do a cart. I recommend ConvertKit. I'll put it on the screen. I'll put a link down below. ConvertKit, you can just simply have a link, they click on it, they see the ebook, they buy it, they're done, okay? And the ConvertKit connects to Stripe for payments. Or you can create an entire website like I did, and you can do a website with Wix. And now this is going to be ideal if like this is just the beginning of something for you, and maybe you'll start with ConvertKit or something like that and then go to Wix or a website later on. But the Wix or the website is going to be great for like telling more about your story, having other services and products they can buy, maybe adding a t-shirt line, having other books or courses. This is going to be if you truly want to start a business from this. And this is what I did, y'all. I went from one ebook. I had a clothing store. I went from one ebook to a 6-figure coaching business because of what I'm telling y'all today. So if you take this serious, you can do something, but understand what I said before. Make a commitment, because it's not going to happen overnight. Make a commitment to stick with it and fall in love with teaching, fall in love with sharing knowledge, because the more you share, the more you'll grow. When it comes to creating a website, if you guys need help with making your website, I have a link down below of a video I did that shows you step by step how to build a coaching Wix website. So that video is down below. And you know, if you guys have other questions, I'm gonna make a video next on how to start and grow a YouTube channel. So if you guys want more insight on how to get these videos that you're gonna be making to get seen by a large amount of people and how to grow thousands of subscribers, then make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so that you guys do not miss that next video. Let me know what questions you have. I hope this all made sense for y'all. I'm excited for y'all to get on this journey to turn your passions and your knowledge, your talents into income. Let me know in the comments below, what topic are you going to talk about? You don't have to share your ebook name, but maybe some viewers will like your topic and will subscribe to your channel. So let me know down below what's your topic. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and I will see you guys in my next video.